Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use N60 AC energy meter connect with KinCony cloud server and how it works with MQTT connect to your own cloud server. Okay, let's look at my compute, and this you can see that is N60 is 60 channel AC energy meter for ESP32 S3, and you can see some details, and I have already posted a video on yesterday that have explained the N60. In this video, I just show you how it works with KinCony cloud server. And you can see this is KinCony cloud server. And let's look at how we have connected with my N60. You can see this is my N60 AC energy meter. I have connected some CT sensor. You can see the CT sensor. And this have connected with my compute power supply. And this have showed this is the current. And this you can show the frequency. And this shows the power factor, and this is the frequency, and this is voltage. So we can back to the about 0.2 ampere for this load. Okay, this is our test environmental. Now let's look at the cloud server, and you can see this is KinCony cloud server. You can see in the cloud server web page, you can create your account. And you can see there are many KinCony controllers have support by our cloud server, and this is N60. You can see this is online, and click, and you will see the total 60 channel date on the web page. And also you can use your mobile phone to log in by this URL, because you don't need to install any application in your mobile phone. And also this URL you can run it on Windows PC or on Apple Macintosh computer. And you can see the voltage and the frequency and the energy, because it's new, so it's a 0. And this is the temperature of the IoT chip. This is the IoT chip's temperature. And this is current, you can see 0.2. And this is power, and this is energy for channel 1. You can see this is channel 1. And this is channel 2, channel 3, because I have only connected one CT sensor with the first channel. So you can see this will auto show green. That will easy to show you this is used by the CT sensor. And this all are 0. So that all are white color, so not used. And also you can see this option. You can click this icon and you can rename by yourself for this device name. And you can see which you want to hide. You don't want to use this CT sensor because in dashboard so much channels, it's not easy to see. So you can hide this item and click save. So in the dashboard, this channel 7, channel 8, channel 9, channel 10 will not displayed. So this can select which one you want to use and rename by yourself. You can see every 10 channel for one IoT chip manager, you can see. So this is the option for every channel. You can rename and apply the customer size configuration. Make sure you have enabled this one. You can see enable this one. If I don't want this 9 and 10, don't want to show it. So you can click save, and we can click again. And this time you can see the 9 and the 10 will not displayed. So only showed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is very easy. And also you can see I can use a rename. For example, this compute power, and press save button and enter again. And you can see the first channel that should compute. So you can rename every name by yourself. This is compute, this is a lamp, and this is a kitchen room, and this is some different other load, so you can rename by yourself. So this can be renamed all 60 channel by yourself. Okay, and we can back to dashboard. So this is N60 KinCony cloud server, and if you want connect to your own cloud server, and you can see this is N60 protocol web page that have showed many different protocol and solution. So you can see if you don't want to use KinCony cloud server, you can disable it. So you can enable this one. You can see I have enabled this one. You can connect to your own MQTT block. So this is MQTT topic, state topic, and this is command topic. So you can see I can use this information set in your KCS web page and press save. So that will connect to your own cloud server. This is my Mosquito running on my computer. And this Mosquito MQTT block also can run on our internet server, ETS server or AWS server, also no problem. So that you can remote monitor your energy meter data. So you can see I have used this MQTT box. I have subscriber this topic. So you can see that have always feedback this message. That is one IoT chip for the all information. We can copy and paste it here. So you can see this data is always uploaded by the N60. You can see this is 5, that means the 5 chip, the 5th chip. And so this is 41 channel and 42 channel, 43 channel current, they are 0. And how to decode this information? And this is JSON format for MQTT message. So you can see our document, you can see in KinCony web page that have a KCS v3 firmware, and there have a MQTT document. And you can see it here, the KCS v3 MQTT document, we have updated. So you can click this file, and you can see the document about this is for N series energy meter. For example, this date showed it here, and you can see, for example, this is this one. That means the C means current, and the 6 means the 6th chip of BL1910. This IoT chip, energy meter chip, because this have the N60 have totally 6 chips. So every 10 channel managed by one IoT chip. And you can see this is the current value. This is current value. And the next you can see the voltage 6. You can see the voltage 6. That means because we have 6 channel voltage detect port, voltage 1, voltage 2, voltage 3. And for single phase, you can see I have connected the 6, have connected with the L, and the neutral line also connect with the N. So this detects the voltage of the single phase. And if you have used 3-phase power, you can connect L1, L2, L3 to A, B, C phase. So that will show the different phase power, different phase voltage. And the next you can see this one that means just this P. P means power, because this means power value. And this E means energy. How much power consumer have used? This E means energy. P means power. Voltage, V is voltage. And C is current. And E sum, that means the total power energy consumer. For example, you can see this is 17, because this E651 until 60 channel, this totally have added together, that is 17. You can see this is 15, and this is 2, and 15 added 2 is 17. So this total 10 channel is 17. So this one is the totally energy meter consumer. So that have showed that here. And this is the frequency. You can see this is frequency 50 Hertz at here, frequency. And this TPS1 and TPS2, this one, TPS1 and TPS2 is our chip's temperature inside of the chip. So usually you not need to use it. So mainly we use the current and the power and the voltage and the energy. So this is the MQTT message you can decode by this format, JSON format. So, and also you can see in our this web page, you can enable and disable KinCony Cloud and MQTT to your own cloud server, or Home Assistant, MQTT auto discovery function, you can enable it here, so that the N60 can connect to your KinCony cloud server and connect to your Home Assistant and connect to your own cloud server at the same time. So the data will send together at the same time to different server. Actually, if you have enabled this one, and this one, so that will post to 3 servers at the same time. So you can, in any application, you can monitor the sensor state and the energy meter data at the same time. Okay, this is how to use N60 to manage the energy meter data from KinCony Cloud Server and MQTT block. Thanks for watching.